Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here today. Today we are doing a BB Craft unboxing. So as you can see, we got a few things, and look at this, is so reusable. Only a junk journaler, right? It's perfect size for a journal to put one in for shipping. So I have collaborated with BB Craft, and so I received a few things, and I'll do this in unboxing, and then I'll do a couple of videos doing some tutorials using these products, you know, at a later time. I wanted to let you know that they have given a discount code for 10% off of your order. It is Christina 10, and that will be in the description box below. And that's good until August of 2025. So here is my packing slip, which doesn't really show anything. All the items will be down below for you. Okay, so our first one are these centers for flowers and whatnot, and these are all pearl ones, and they are pretty. They have the back on it, but it's easy to take that off if you don't want that on there. But these are perfect, like for these flowers. Just put it in the center. And there's all different kinds in here, I believe. Yep, different kinds, different sizes. This is a pretty one. And look at this little one, little square one. And we have this. Oh, we have a heart. Hope you can see that. Then we have this one. That's a nice big one. But yeah, these are perfect for using for centers for so many things. There's a flower one. I like that one. And it's in a nice box to keep it in. And then we have this. Oh, this I want to use in my journal that I'm making for Line Dot Arrow. This is a stack of books, and it has some leaves and a cup of coffee sitting on top. I hope you can make that out. Is it clear for you? I can't tell. But yeah, I will be doing that wax seal. And let's see what we have here. You know, I never remember what I order from anywhere. But that's half the surprise. These are pretty flowers. Look at the nice pearl center. These are nice. Aren't those lovely? Nice little applique flowers. I don't know where I'm gonna put them. And then let's see what's in here. I like their packaging. Their packaging was really nice, having everything inside this bubble wrap. And then the ones with the boxes are just awesome. Everything is definitely packaged nice. Panda Hall Elite is what that says. It's a nice box. And then they have it in a nice Ziploc bag. Oh, nice. And oh, look at, it's a butterfly. Can you see that? Isn't that cute? Then we have a flower. I had to take the iron to these. Oh, this is a different flower. Isn't that pretty? Little sequence in there. Oh, I like this. It's a nice big flower. Look at that center. I really love that butterfly. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. And that one. So far, yep, here we have this one again. I was going to say, so far we don't have any repeats. This is just so pretty. And you could take that back one off if you want a smaller one. Looks like it comes right off. That's pretty. Oh, look at that. This is a nice big one. Everything is so pretty. And that. That's Christmas for sure, right? Oh, here's a different butterfly. Oh, it's so cute. Here's one. Oh, a little stamus. Can't talk. That's pretty. Little hearts, the leaves, petals look like little hearts. And then that one. Those I love. Those are adorable for sure. And I bet they get flattened out staying in that box. The last one we have here are butterflies, and it looks like they're different colors. We'll check a few of them out and see what they're all about. Little organza butterflies that need ironed. Are these all the same? Yeah, looks like those are the same. Let's see if the colored ones, what colors we have, and if they're the same or different. Yeah, the pattern on them is different. Those are cute little organza butterflies. And then there's a purple one. There's a lot here. We'll have to count one of these packages, see how many's in a pack. There's one. I would imagine there's 10, at least 10 in there. That one's nice and flat. That's pretty. Let's just count real quick, see how many's in a pack. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, 10 in a pack. These are gonna come in handy, and they're nice and flat so they won't add bulk to your journal. There's another one. I hope you can see that it's bendy. Very pretty colors. Look at how pretty that one is. These are going to be so much fun to play with. And I have a flat iron for my craft room that I got at a yard sale for $2. It works great, and it's just for the craft room. And I use it for lace and fabrics. And now I will use it for these butterflies. Just a little bit of heat will flatten it out. There's another one. It's like purple, blue, and pink, it looks like. And here's the last one. Pink and white. Oh, that's pretty. I hope you're able to make them out. Look how pretty those are. So that's what we got from BB Craft. All these fun goodies to play with. And don't forget, there's a coupon code Christina10. That will be down below. And the link to all of these, as well as BB Craft's website. So go on over, have a look. They have great prices, great shipping, and you can't beat it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.